This waterfall is an example of what a Cascade Waterfall looks like. Well, this is what it looks like from seeing it from above. Appropriately, this waterfall is called Azalea Cascade. To understand why this waterfall is known as a Cascade Waterfall, it is important to understand what a Cascade Waterfall is. Look at this waterfall. Watch as it cascades down a series of rocks. It's like it's going down steps. That is exactly what a cascade type waterfall is. It is a type of waterfall that descends down a series of rock steps. As you can see with the waterfall, it's going down, it's like it's going down stairs when you really think about it. Think of a Cascade Waterfall as a type of waterfall that goes down a flight of stairs. Think about that. Think about water going down a flight of stairs. That is what a Cascade Waterfall is. Appropriately enough, and as was mentioned in this video, this waterfall is called Azalea Cascade. If you like this video, go check out other videos on this channel, and as always, be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe.